D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And now, in this video, I'll be testing out or trying out this Toptes combustible gas leak detector. This is the model Pt199, and it's just a combustible gas leak detector. But before we get into the video, I want you to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Smash the bell icon so when I upload videos like these, you get them right away. And of course, I'm going to be trying it out in the HVAC scenario. There's a gas furnace right here. There's combustible gas. You got the combustible combustion exhaust, and then of course you have the natural gas supply in this unit. Now these devices right here, Toptes had reached out to me and asked me if they had sent me a few of these. Will I try them out and do an honest review on them? And I said no problem. So they sent me a few of these free of charge. I'm not receiving any other form of compensation for this. That's it. And by the ways, I'll be giving away two of these. So I got a orange and I got a black. So I'm gonna be giving these both away. All right, I'm gonna tell you, watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna tell you guys how you can claim, or how you can qualify, or how you could be qualified to receive one of these combustible gas leak detector for free. All right. So yeah, so let's get into it. What comes in the box right here, guys? You can see it's got some manual, and the manual it's in English and Chinese. I think it's Chinese, right? Yeah, I think it's English and Chinese. That's the language on the other side, right? That's Chinese. Is that Chinese? I don't know, but it comes in two languages, right? English and I think it's Chinese. All right, boom. So that's in the box here. You have the device, you have some batteries, and it's nicely packaged. The back, the box is pretty decent, pretty nice. You got some storage. This is a storage bag, I guess carrying bag. This wouldn't stand up too well, if you got to lug it around in your tool bag. This is not going to work. You need a hard case for that. All right, but yeah. So you can find these guys on Amazon. I think that's where they're selling them. On Amazon. That's what I know. I don't know if they're selling them anyplace else, but you can find them on Amazon for about $20 US USD. My opinion on this thing right here, it's the build quality is alright. It's okay. It's not the worst I've seen in tools when it comes to tools. But overall, I would say that it's not really pro level or pro grade. If you are pro, you might not find this gas leak detector suitable for you. But if you're a beginner, or if you want to get a combustible gas leak detector that's functional and relatively cheap, $20, yeah, this will do it. So let's see how this works. You would press this red button right here, it turns on, and what it's doing right now, it's going through the warm-up phase, and I'm going to be testing this out over here in this furnace. Again, I say you got combustible gas that's coming out of the furnace exhaust, and you got natural gas that's going in there. I'm gonna test it out with both of those gases, so stay tuned for that. And again, stay till the end. I'm gonna tell you how you can get this for free. I'm gonna, just watch this video till the end. All right, I'm gonna tell you how you to qualify. So now it's ready to go. And when you're sensing gases or combustible gases, there's a high mode and a low mode. So if you right now, I think it's in high mode, because this, when you press this button right here, so that it's not illuminated, that's low, and when it's illuminated, that's high sensitivity. Problem with this is that if you're like outside and it's very bright, you can't see if it's illuminated or not, so you just gotta, like, I guess, cover it up or something. I don't know. That's one thing I don't like about this. This, it should be some type of indicator on the screen right here to tell you that you're in high or low mode, because this little light, you can see, based on the illumination outside, may not work, may not be visible enough. All right, so right now it's ready to go. I can go ahead and sense with it, test with it. Also, it has a low battery indicator. A low battery indicator. If the battery is low, it will flash right here. I'm assuming so, because when you power it up, it shows up on the screen. Like, let me power it down. You guys could see it. All right, so at initial power up, look right here in this corner right here, and you will see the battery indicator. Supposedly that only comes up when the battery is low. See the indicator right there, quickly. All right, so let it warms up, and then once it warms up, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick test over here on this unit. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I have this this plug and the gas pipe slightly loosed, so that loose enough so that natural gas could be leaking through it. So if you do some gas piping and you want to check if you have leaks from your connection, you can do that with this little thing right here. I mean, it does work. I've tried it out before. So let's put it right there, and we are in the high mode. Again, this is, it's a green button with a green light. I mean, it doesn't quite make sense, but anyways, let's put it next to the okay, here we go. So once it detects the gas and it's really strong, the display turns red. Now, as you can see, this thing is not very sensitive for a Pro, because you see what happened, right? This thing is leaking gas right now. It's not high pressure gas, it's low pressure gas. But like right now, it should be going off. It's not. I gotta literally put it all the way up there on that thing right there, on the connection, on the joint, for it to go off, right? So it's not sensitive enough for a Pro, but it does get the job done. This will be suitable, I would say, for home use, if you just want to have something around the house. But in the HVAC field, I don't know. I wouldn't buy this. But again, you can see it does work. I'm going to fire up this furnace, and I'm going to check the flute exhaust and see if it triggers. Let's try this again on low mode, right? Let's just change the mode. Is it on or off? I can't even see, man. It's crazy. I think it's off right now. Yeah, it's off. Let's try it again. Screw that. Here you go. Perhaps when it's illuminated, it's low sensitivity. I'm probably saying it backward. I don't know. Let's try it again. Let's go to. It's illuminated right now. Same thing. But it does work, guys. You can see that. That's natural gas right there. All right. Okay. Let's fire this furnace up. And check the flue exhaust. Yeah, let's close this before I catch myself on fire. You don't want that. So this is low pressure gas. It's probably, you know, 4 inches of water column, 5 inches of water column in this pipe here. The most, or maybe 7. You know, it's low pressure gas. All right, let's put this thing in test mode, and we're going to get the furnace going. Boom, boom. All right, furnace is about to fire up right now, so I'm going to disconnect my jumpers. So I'm going to stay in heating mode, and I'm going to put my sensor right here. All right, let's see when it fires up, because you know it's going to be very hot, so I can't keep it there. Getting both in the same frame. I put it right here. Oh. All right, guys, you see that it does work. It does work. You can use it in the HVAC industry or in the HVAC field. It senses combustible flue exhaust. This thing back into fan mode. This thing could cool down. It does work in it senses flue exhaust, senses natural gas, and if you're in the HVAC industry, these are pretty much the 2 combustible gases that you'll be dealing with. All right, so yeah, but again, my honest opinion, this thing is not for pro. All right, I mean, it's cheap, I mean, price wise. So if you're a beginner, you want to have a combustible gas detector in your toolbox or tool bag, I would say you can grab one of these. All right, it works. And if you're even a pro and you need a budget combustible gas detector, you know, you can go for it as well. All right, but for a pro, I just wouldn't recommend this. I wouldn't buy this myself, and that's just my honest opinion. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, you guys want to get these. Here's what you have to do. You have to give this video a thumbs up. Right? Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section, and my compressor's coming back on. I want to cool this furnace down. The fan is running. Leave a comment on the video in the comment section of the video, and then go to the about section of my channel, and you will see I have my email address there, and I have my link to my Instagram account, and so you can either email me with your YouTube channel name, right? Because you're going to be commented, and I will see the comments. I could see all comments. So you're going to leave a comment. You're going to go to the about section, send me an email with your YouTube channel name, and your or you can click on my Instagram link and go to my Instagram page and DM me your YouTube channel name, and then once I have the winner, or I select the winner, then I'll get back to you, and then you're just gonna send me your shipping address, right, where I'm gonna send this thing to. Oh, there it is. Right, you're gonna send me your shipping address where I'm gonna send this thing to, and I'm just gonna ship it out to you. If you're not in the US, if you're in another country, you know, that may take longer, or based on where you are in the world, I don't know. I'll let you know if I can ship it to you. But if you're in the US, definitely no problem at all. I'll get it to you. All right. And again, that's it for this video, guys. That's for this video. Said comment, leave a comment, and if you want to get this thing, this gas leak detector, it's on Amazon. I don't know if they sell it other places, but I know it's on Amazon. Go to Amazon Prime, whatever, Amazon.com, you'll find it there. All right. That's it. Comes in 3 different colors, I guess. There's an orange, there's a green, orange, and a red. So we got the I guess this is the red one. All right. So I'm just gonna close this video off. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything I'm leaving out. Is there? Nah. Yeah. I'm out.